Allie here. I hope you're all staying healthy and safe, and today I'm going to show you an activity that can hopefully make your time at home a little more fun. So today we're going to make homemade moon sand. It's really easy. All you need is 2 ingredients. You need baby oil and flour. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a measuring cup and get 2 cups of flour. 2. And then what you're going to do is take your baby oil. And you're going to add a 1/4 cup of baby oil. And then once you add that, you're just going to take your hands and you're going to mix it all up. And it will make a really soft, fluffy sand mixture that you can play with. You can mold it. I like to use cookie cutters or like sandcastle molds. And it's just really soft and a good sensory activity. So here's what mine looks like. As you can see, it's like moldable but also crumbles really easily. I added a little bit more baby oil to mine so you can kind of play with it until it's the texture you want it to be. And that's it. So as long as you store it in an airtight container or like a Ziploc baggie, it should never dry out, and if it starts to, you can just add a little more baby oil. So I hope you all have a lot of fun playing with your moon sand, and I hope to see you all real soon.